Hi everyone, this video is very special as I'm going to tell you exciting news about how you can take your app revenue to the next level.
And this video is sponsored by Apbroada.
As you know, the Google has recently come up with an update for the Admob and Ad Manager, which helps you to increase your revenue and eCPM. And today I will be sharing essential details of it. And on this channel we already have many videos that helps you to accelerate in your projects. Next I will explain you how you can get benefit of this update. Google has introduced key updates, one of which include expanded inventory access through multiple calls. For those who don't know, multi-call is a process where you can set up multiple demands to serve the impression. For Admob users, this is an unparalleled opportunity to significantly boost your ad revenue. As you can see in this image, the traditional setup of Admob could make only a single call to Google demand, which gave low eCPM to publisher. But now, Google has allowed you to call multiple times to another Google demand like Google Ad Manager. Why Google? Because around 70% of impressions in your app are served by Google. By calling multiple times to Google demand, it will increase further. There is a solution where you can set a waterfall between Admob and Ad Manager without any SDK, and either of them will serve the ad with more CPM. This will ensure network compete higher and will increase your eCPM and overall revenue by 40%. After implementing this solution, even other networks in your waterfall will bid higher. Now let's see how you can integrate this SDK-less solution. For those who don't know, Google Ad Manager is the strongest network of Google, and it is only accessible through their partners. Similarly, Apbroada is Google GCP and world's leading GAM network in the apps. They have created this solution that can add GAM in your Admob waterfall without any SDK, hence creating a strong waterfall, and the revenue will be optimized further with the data analysis. You can explore this solution by the link in the description below. In response to increased demand for app monetization solution, in this case we are going to talk about how you can add Google Ads demand to your Admob without any SDK. This gives you greater control and flexibility in executing your monetization strategies. Instead of being limited to fixed number of calls per impression, now you can make multiple requests to Google. This increases the scope of purchasing ad space from specific networks such as Admob or Ad Manager, resulting in higher eCPM and revenue. To optimize your revenue potential through multi-call functionality, consider implementing the following strategies. Firstly, leverage data analysis to establish higher eCPM floors and utilize multi-call to maximize both the fill rate and eCPMs. By analyzing the data, you can identify the optimal eCPM threshold for your inventory and ensure that multi-call is employed effectively to achieve the highest possible revenue. Given that a significant portion of revenue is generated through Google's demand, it is advisable to establish a system that leverages Google multi-call to recall Google's demand and effectively fill your inventory. This approach will enable you to tap into Google's extensive demand network, ultimately increase the chance of monetization your inventory more effectively. In this image, you can see the report of how an app has more than doubled its revenue with the multi-call solution. By combining these tactics, you can enhance your revenue potential by capitalizing on multi-call capabilities and leveraging Google demand to optimize fill rates and maximize the eCPMs. This exciting feature is open in a limited access capacity, and you may be among the fortunate publishers selected to try it out. And now you want to know from where you can take the advantage of this strategy. To leverage this update of Google, there is a company called Apbroada that has developed a solution to effectively use this update and maximize your ad revenue. Apbroada is well known for their expertise in optimizing ad revenue for app developers. They can help you leverage Google latest features effectively and increase your ad revenue by up to staggering 140%. With their tailored solution and industry insights, you can tap into the full potential of app monetization strategy. Click on a provided link to book a free consultation call with Apbroada.
Link is in the description.
Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.